Hi guys, and welcome to Lisa's Home Cooking. So we are going to make potato and string bean salad. Lisa's version, the way Lisa makes it at home. We are going to start off with a pot of cold water. We are going to wash our potatoes with a potato brush. Make sure all the dirt comes off. And we're gonna plop these puppies right into the cold water. We are going to be putting in about 12 potatoes and using about 2 pounds of string beans. Bring these up to a boil, and then I'm going to show you how to test the potato when it is ready. This will take about 25 to 30 minutes to cook. So while we're waiting for our potatoes to cook a little bit, I'm going to show you how I clean my green beans. What I like to do is I'll take a bunch, I snip the ends off, just like this. Flip them over, snip the ends off, just like that. And this is about 2 pounds of green beans. Okay guys, it looks like our potatoes are ready to be tested. Let's see. The trick is you take your knife and you put it in your potato. If it comes out clean, that means they are ready to go. Let's check it out. Looks good to me. We are now going to drain our potatoes and we are going to let them cool. In the meantime, I am going to salt my water for my green beans. Now the reason why I salt the water for the green beans, it actually makes the color green come out nice and crisp on the beans. So let's salt our water. So we're going to blanch our green beans, which is going to take about 10 minutes or so. So we have our potatoes cooling, we're blanching our green beans. Really simple, really easy. Now that our potatoes have cooled, I've actually peeled most of them, but I am going to show you how I peel them. Take a regular peeler. The skin should come right off nice and easy, just like this. Now remember, you want to wait till these are completely cooled because you will burn your fingers. You know, sometimes at nighttime you're feeling like you want to eat healthy, like a green vegetable, but you need some substance in there. And to me, instead of, always eating pasta, my go-to substance is a potato. So now that I've cleaned the potato off, I am going to show you how I cut them. So I basically cut them in 4, and I cube them just like this. This is such a great dish to make in the summertime because you can make it and leave it out and it really won't go bad in the heat. If you're doing a barbecue, it's a nice side dish with a nice hamburger or a hot dog. Okay, let's check our green beans out. So now our green beans are ready to be strained. Look how beautiful and green they are. That's because I added the salt in the water. So now we are going to drain them. So now comes the fun part. We are going to add our green beans with the potatoes that we cut. We're gonna add some salt, some pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, and a little touch of balsamic. Mix it all together and you got yourself a green bean and potato salad. So we got the green beans, the potatoes, about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We are going to mix this all up. I like to use 2 spoons. So we have our string bean and potato salad. This is great for any time of year, any time of day, whether it's accompanying a sandwich for lunch or you're by yourself at home at night and you want to just make something with simple ingredients. So I want to hear what you guys like about this dish. Make sure you like my video, share it with your friends. I want to hear their comments too, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Cake House.